Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Li. Today I'll be making the sweet, crispy, and popular Chinese dessert, the glutinous rice flour balls. In Chinese, the name is Jiandui, and in northern China, people also call them MaTuan. They can be filled with anything or even nothing. The most overwhelming favorite is red bean paste. So today, I will fill them with red bean paste and also peanut butter, which I have made for so many times, and they are surprisingly delicious. As breakfast, these sweet balls measure the size of tomatoes, and today I will be making a smaller version, the snack version. And no matter as breakfast or dessert or snack, they are super delicious, and of course, they are easy to make. We only need 3 main ingredients. The glutinous rice flour, and some places also call it sweet rice flour, and roasted sesame seeds, and also sugar. For fillings, we will need either rice bean paste or peanut butter, or nothing. And definitely we will need some butter. And as usual, I will put all the ingredients and their measurements down below in the descriptions for you to follow along at home. And now let's get started. First, I'm gonna microwave heat this 1/3 cup of water to make it 110 Fahrenheit degrees warm water. In the warm water, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And just mix it to dissolve. Next, place this 3/4 cup of glutinous rice flour or sweet rice flour to a large mixing bowl. Next, add this warmed sugar water in. Mix them together. We want to form a dough. We don't need the dough. We just want to combine everything together. Now I made this rectangle dough. The glutinous sweet flour is much less sticky than all-purpose flour, so you may want to have some warm water handy when we work with the dough to fill the fillings, the red bean paste fillings. Take a small piece from the dough, put it in your palm, and use your thumb to press in the center. It's fine to have some cracks, and just add some warm water to increase the thickness. We want to have the thin edges. Fill half teaspoon of the red bean paste in the center, and then smooth the dough over the fillings and pinch the seam, and then form it into a ball. Fill half teaspoon of peanut butter, and then smooth the dough over the peanut butter. Now we have all these rice flour balls ready, and I'm gonna roll them into the sesame seeds. Roll it gently into the sesame seeds and make sure every surface covered in the sesame seeds. Now place it on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Now they are ready to be cooked. Normally, they are fried to be more crispy, but this time I'm going to air fry them to be healthier and at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 minutes. They look so cute. Now let them sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to cool down. This one is a peanut butter filling. The crispy outside with the sticky inside, and also the peanut butter filling. The combination is so perfect. The texture is so delicious. I'm not sure if I can find another red bean. Okay, let me guess. I would say this one. I love it. I cannot tell I love red bean taste more or I love peanut butter taste more. I love them both. They're good. They're so great. I hope you like this video and like my recipe. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and please comment down below. And please subscribe me for more. And happy holidays. See you real soon. Bye.